Hi, Happy Hoarder here, and I'm delighted to be participating in the Dolls Gone Goth Sexy Pilgrim Challenge hosted by Marna from Dolls Rescued and Jay from J Dolls UK. Thank you, ladies. This was challenging and fun. As you see, I started with a Bo Peep doll from one of the Toy Story movies, probably 4. Anyway, I painted her face to look really sweet and sexy, and that took quite a while, and you'll have to check out the video coming up soon. So I just kind of wanted to show off this crazy outfit that I made her. I didn't want to make her too sexy, but I got this great idea having just finished Maleficent, and I had some leftover fabric that has this black satin on one side and this beautiful purple on the other, and I really liked how stiff it was. So just playing around, I made her a bra. And then after that, it just turned into this adorable little halter dress with collar and cuffs and a little bow right there on the décolletage. And then, of course, the classic bonnet and apron. So I made a lot of videos and took some photos of the different things I did. But then after I was putting the video together, I thought they looked kind of boring compared to how she actually turned out. Yes, I did have to cut some patterns out first in order to make the stuff fit her properly, but my biggest challenge was those tights. That's the first time I've ever made tights like that. And I wanted them to be really thick because I wanted them to look a little bit more pilgrimish, and I wanted them just above the knee. Just because of her build, that is a tough fit because she has really muscular legs. I did have to try a couple of times on her bonnet because I had to do it where it would fold around and you would see the nice satin on all the sides. But I figured it out because that's what it's all about, right? We just start playing around, and no original patterns here. I had to do it my own way. Now, she is a doll, and I originally, when I was putting her clothes together, I thought this is just a temporary thing because I would like to dress her in something else. But now that I've finished her, I'm kind of liking her. I think she's a lot of fun. Anyway, her little basket, that sweet little basket, actually came from a porcelain doll. And then I had these miniature squash and pumpkins, and so I added those. So let's talk about the shoes. Yeah, I didn't want to put her in some just regular shoes. She needed some sexy shoes. So I found these gold shoes. Since she's got on those tights, her feet are a little bit larger. So I found these bigger doll shoes that I don't even know who they go to. And they fit her pretty good with those stockings on, so it worked out really well. Yeah, she does have some serious lashes going on, but I just think it makes her look all the more coquettish. So I had a lot of fun doing this, and I really want to thank Marna from Dolls Rescued and Jade from J Dolls UK. This is a lot of fun. The minute y'all started talking about this, I was like, what would I do? What would I use? And I had a couple of thrifted dolls. One was an OMG doll, who is rather sexy anyway, but then when I found her at Rolling Hills Ministry, my favorite thrift store, I said, this is the one. And when I repainted her, I really had a good time doing it. And yes, it took quite a while to get that face just right, because there is a fine line between sexy and sleepy, and she's kind of wanting to cross over. So those are just things you deal with when you're trying to do a doll. I have not done many Barbie type doll repaints. I think she may be my 8th or something. And every doll is a learning experience, and you just get better and better. I wish I had all the time in the world. I would just sit and draw dolls, because I do like to make them, especially the ones that you can pose like this. I did fail Hot Glue 101, by the way, but I did totally construct this outfit with hot glue. I know. And the fabric, all the black and purple was a leftover from Maleficent. On the white, I used an iron-on backing in order to give it a little rigidity to match that of the black. I decided to keep her original hair because I really liked that kind of pin-up look about it. I removed her factory paint with the acetone and then hit her a few times with Mr. Super Clear. And then I proceeded to just draw on them with a couple of pencils. I actually did a live stream during this, so some of that footage is on a live stream as well. And I was talking to people about trying out a new product. That's why my mouth's moving, because I'm talking to people. I have 2 cameras set up. One that is showing, me on the live stream. The other one is me drawing. So I just want to share this little snippet of it with you. This is actually a 52-minute video that I have, shrunk down. so that you wouldn't have to suffer through the whole thing. I do love these challenges because they are that, challenges. I mean, when someone gives you an idea that you may not have had originally, it does kind of propel you into doing things unexpected. So I have really enjoyed this, and thanks a lot, ladies. I mean, I do like making my own dolls, but this just kind of kicks it up a notch. Thanks for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that notification button because sometimes I make pretty good videos. Bye!